Hello friends and followers. Well, one of the problems of the HRO 500 is they used a fiberglass band switch rod, which seems like it's wearing out in certain places. Like if you look back there, it looks like it's all shedding. I don't know if they put sticky stuff on there or it's shedding, but anyway, the rod does not allow these wafers to line up precisely as they need to make the radio work in optimal fashion. So I was lucky enough to find this old stock, and I'm going to replace this fiberglass band switch with this new old stock and see if it'll go. Anyway, well, let's see if it'll go in. So I loosened up this coupler. I took out this pulley that goes on like that and gave this a tug, and I heard a pretty big snap back here, so hopefully it didn't break anything, but let's see if this will come out now. Just trying to get it out easily. It comes out the back. There's the back right there. So just try and pull it out the back. Luckily they put a hole for this thing to get replaced. And then you want to sneak in the new one so it's not coming out easily. Anyway, you see what I'm doing, so I'm going to try and wrestle this thing out with two hands. See if I can get it out. And I will take a hacksaw to this one, cut it off to length, and put it in, see if it works. So that is the plan, Stan. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.